Wow, this is yummy. Have you heard about gizzdodo? And you are wondering how it is being made, how you can make it? This is gizzdodo, okay? This is one of the continental dishes you can prepare for your family, your friends, and well wishers, yeah, even strangers that don't know you. Okay, so this is made from plantain, ripe plantain, and gizzard. Okay, so I'm going to take you along and show you everything you need to know about how you can make it for your family or your friends, your visitors, or you can even make it at a birthday party, any party of your choice. Okay, so let's go. Let me teach you everything you need to know. You can serve this with fried rice, jollof rice. Oh my God, it's just so yummy and delicious. Trust me, give it a try. Okay? Yes. I remember the first time I made it for my husband. He was like, "Mom, what's this?" Because in his head, he's like, "What's this? This is just like this is so yummy." So let's go. Let me save the talk and let's get back to the business. So if you're following me here on my page, Ify Success, please keep following me, keep engaging on my videos. If it's your first time of coming across my page, mommy, stop now, I have baby here, so please don't mind. If it's your first time coming across my page, please like, share my videos, feel free, it's free of charge, and also follow me. Okay, on YouTube, Eat with Ify Success, that's where I share video about where I eat and all of that. I do mukbang, sometimes I cook and show people recipe. Yeah, so you can also subscribe to my channel, my eating channel, my mukbang channel, Eat with Ify Success, my lifestyle vlog on YouTube, Ify Success. Okay, yeah, so let's get to the business. Yep. Guys, I'm going to teach you how to do gizzard dodo. Okay, so this is gizzard. I've already washed it and it's cooking right now. So I have put all my ingredients. I've added salt, curry powder, pepper, onion, yeah, and salt. So these are the ingredients I have already added on it. So I'll allow it to cook, you know, to be soft. Okay, this one is turkey gizzard. So let's go as we proceed. Yes. So as the gizzard is frying, let's get the plantain ready. So as you're frying your gizzard, just be getting your plantain, ripe plantain like this. That's what you use, okay? And cut it into pieces. You can cut it any size of your choice, but I prefer to cut mine this big, like this, just tiny bit. Okay, so that's how I like to prepare mine. So we finish cutting it, so we're going to fry it. All right, let's go. So here is the gizzard. So once your gizzard has finished cooking, next step is to fry the gizzard to your taste. Yes, keep watching. Next step is to fry your plantain. Fry to your taste, but don't let it burn. Go. This is my already fried gizzard. So I love cutting it into tiny bits. Yeah. So that aside, I'll be using this pepper today, this red pepper. Okay. So I'll be taking the bits I'll be needing. I'll be needing some. So I'll be using this this quantity. Yeah, is washed pepper and onions, so I'm going to blend it right now. Yep, put it on. So plantain is ready and the gizzard is ready, so they are waiting to join together. So here is the quantity I'll be adding. This is all purpose jumbo. So I'll be adding a little bit of table salt, a little bit. Yeah, that's enough. And add a little bit of all-purpose jumbo aroma. So I'm going to add it on the sauce. So we're going to fry this blended red pepper, onions, and hot pepper together. So next stage, our fried pepper sauce is ready. So I'm going to be adding the fried plantain together with this fried gizzard. So go ahead and mix the two together. This is yummy. Allow this plantain and gizzard to marinate together. Mix them thoroughly and allow it to heat up a little bit as you wish. Yeah, so at this point I'm going to reduce my my gas. Yeah. Woo. Wow, look at that. This is continental dish. So our gizzdodo is ready to be served to your family, your friends, your visitors, even strangers. Yes. So let's dish it out.